the classification of accounts. As I told you, there is actually classify accounts are very easily by analyzing the account equation. As we all know, that accounting equation is what? A equal to L plus E, right? So this is the classification accounts, as we have already know that there are the 5 accounts only: assets, liabilities, equity, expenses, and income. So based on these elements, there are analyzing the account equation. We will have to analyze the account equation. So as we all know, like accounting equation, the proper accounting equation is A equal to L plus P, right? I'm writing over here. A equal to L plus E. A means assets, L means liability, and E means equity. And I also told you there is some extended version of this accounting equation. What's that? This equity we can separate into the 4 different elements. And what are they? Let me write it. A equal to L plus capital for the equity only. Capital plus revenue minus expenses and minus withdrawal. So basically for the E means equity, right? So capital and revenue that is coming into the business, we will gonna sum up together, and from this we will gonna subtract all the expenses. For all the expenses and all the withdrawal that's going out from the business. All the expenses and all the withdrawal. This is the extended version of accounting equation. Okay? So by observing this, we can say like there are 5 accounts: assets, liability, equity, that means capital, and leftover is revenue and expenses. Revenue means income, so income and revenue both are same thing, right? So this is the explanations of classification of the accounting in the accounting equation. The simple one is A equal to L plus E, and the extended one is A equal to L plus capital plus revenue minus expenses minus withdrawal. Easy one.